What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do one hand catch in Madden NFL 26. If you wanna trigger the one hand catch animation, the first thing to know is that any player in the game can technically pull it off. It doesn't matter if you're using a fullback, a tight end, a running back, or even a quarterback lined up at receiver. The animation is available to everyone. The only real difference is consistency. Player with a higher spectacular catch rating will trigger those highlight animations a lot more often. Someone like Justin Jefferson with a 99 spectacular catch is going to be your best option. Now here's how to actually set it up. You need to throw a high pass. To do that, hold LB on Xbox or L1 on PlayStation while you press the button for your receiver. Holding that button raises the trajectory of the throw so the ball comes in higher than normal. That higher placement gives your receiver a reason to reach up and go for the one hand catch animation. Once the ball is in the air, select your receiver by pressing B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation. After you take control, keep holding LB or L1 to attempt the one hand catch. If you just throw a regular pass without the high arc, your quarterback might place it too cleanly and the receiver won't need to make a special grab. That's why the high pass or a lob with free form lead slightly out of their comfort zone works much better for triggering the animation. Just remember, one hand catches come with a risk cause the animation is so extreme, even the smallest bump from a defender can knock the ball loose, and that's all there is to it. Throw a high pass, select your receiver, hold the spectacular catch button and force your receiver into a tough grab. With the right timing and a good receiver, you'll start seeing those clean one hand animations consistently. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.